Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can earn from the referrals of the StreamYard and how you can take the advantage from the StreamYard's referrals. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website of the StreamYard and then we have to log in and we have to create our account. And after the creation of our account, simply we need to go to an option which is called referrals. So let's click on the referrals. And after clicking on the referrals, as you can see, has an option for the refer friends and viewers to earn credit. Your referrals will get $10 in credit and you will earn 25 credit when they spend 25 with us. As you can see now, the referrals will also get the $10 and you will also get the $25 as in reward for your referrals. So as you can see, as an option, refer to people. If you want to refer to the Facebook, you can also do that. If you want to refer to a Twitter, you can also do that. If you want to refer through an email address, you can also do that. You can also copy this link and share it with your members or the referrals. So as you can see, if you add a link, you can also add your own link. So in this way, you can earn from the referrals of the StreamYard. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.